Is the camera on? Just kidding around. Hi, Ron and Annie, the Car Doctor. So here's something I've been talking about for a while, and this is a really great example of it. Here's an '06 Pontiac G6. It's got just about 100,000 miles on it, and it's getting some cooling system seepage, which a lot of these did. This generation, 3.5 to 3.6, a lot of this generation GM had problems with gaskets, intake manifold, timing cover, head gasket, etc. Here's an 11-year-old car with 100 grand on it. You're going to start doing head gaskets and major engine work, especially this is a younger driver. She doesn't have a lot of money. She's trying to get her way through school. So here's a better alternative, and it's clearly less expensive. K-Seal. K-Seal makes a great many, can you zoom in on that, Danny? K-Seal makes a great many cooling system related repairs. You know, coolant repair in a bottle. Works really well. They've got a website, kseal.com. It's not hard to use. You're going to shake it up really well. Just follow the directions on the bottle. All right. Make sure you're doing this on a cold engine because you don't want to take the radiator cap off when the engine is hot because there's obviously, you know, you're going to get hurt. You know, we don't want that to happen to you. Okay. So once you shake it up really well, we've got the bottle off. We're a little low in the bottle, which is fine. This works with any type of coolant. It says so right on the bottle, and it's going to be pour and go. Okay, empty the contents. Cap on, start it up, let it run, and within time, it will seal that leak. Now, this is a minor sealing leak. They also make a head gasket repair in a bottle, which is more for a combustion or pressure type leak, and all the products work well. We've been using them for a while now here in the shop, and excellent stuff. So more information on the radio show. Till then, I'm Ron and Annie, the Car Doctor. I'll see you on radio.